Hello, Louisiana doctors. Neck pain, headaches, vertigo, low back pain, and extremity complaints, they're the bread and butter of our practices, but can also be some of the toughest challenges. If you'd like the latest, most practical strategies to improve your clinical skills in these areas, then this workshop is for you. I'm Tim Bertelsman, and I'll be joining you in Baton Rouge for the Chiropractic Association of Louisiana 15-hour workshop on November 1st and 2nd. We'll dive into advanced strategies for neck pain, headaches, and vertigo. You'll see every essential test, treatment, and exercise demonstrated live or on video, including some impressive neurodynamic techniques, including nerve flossing and nerve releasing, that are changing the way we treat nerve-related conditions. We'll also cover low back pain in detail, focusing on the functional deficits that sometimes keep our outcome from being their fullest. And we'll round out the weekend by tackling the most common upper and lower extremity issues, everything from rotator cuffs through carpal tunnel and plantar fasciitis. I promise you'll leave this weekend with real-world, hands-on practical skills that you can use on Monday morning to improve your outcomes, grow your confidence, and elevate your role as the go-to provider in your community. I look forward to seeing you in Baton Rouge on November 1st and 2nd.